Hello students, welcome to our science class. Hope you all are fine. Today we'll start with our chapter 2, that is food and its digestion. Girls, if you do not eat for a long time, you start feeling hungry and you eat food. Why do we eat food? We eat food because food is very essential for the body. फूड हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. Why it is important? Because food, it gives us energy. Whatever energy we need to do our work. हमें अपने डेली रूटीन के जो काम करने होते हैं उसके लिए हमें एनर्जी चाहिए, and that energy is given by our food. Food, it also helps us to grow. It protects our body from disease. डिजीज का मतलब होता है बीमारी. जब आप अच्छा फूड खाओगे, हेल्दी फूड खाओगे, तो आपकी बॉडी में कोई भी बीमारी नहीं आ सकती. It keeps us healthy. So why the food is important? It gives us energy. It helps us to grow. It protects our body from disease, and it also keeps us healthy. Nutrients. What are nutrients? The food we eat, it contains some useful substance that are called as a nutrients. जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसमें कुछ important substance होते हैं. That important substance are known as nutrients. Now what are these nutrients? These are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. What are the different nutrients present in our food? Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Proteins, it provides us energy. Carbohydrates, it provides us energy. Fats, it also provides us energy. Vitamins and minerals, it provides a good health. So these are the 5 nutrients which are present in our food. Along with these 5 nutrients, 2 important things which are present in our food are water and roughage. Okay girls, so now we will study one by one these nutrients. So the first nutrient is the proteins. Protein is a nutrient which helps you to grow, and also it helps you to build new cells in your body and repair the damaged parts of your body. They help you to grow, and also they are called as a body building nutrients. Now which food will give you the proteins? See here in the picture, the food items which provides you the protein is the milk, egg, cheese, pulses, fish and meat. अगर आप अपने खाने में ये सारी चीजें खाते हैं तो you will get a protein. Okay, and protein is the body building food. It will gives you the energy and helps your body to grow. The next nutrient is a carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is a nutrient which also gives you the energy. Sugars and starches are the carbohydrates. They also provide energy to do work, play, study, etc. Now, which food items will give you the carbohydrates? Like potato, banana, bread and rice. Which food items you will eat to get the carbohydrates? Potato, that means आलू, banana, bread and rice. अगर आप खाने में ये सारी चीजें खा रहे हैं तो आपको क्या मिल रहा है? तो that means आलू, banana, bread and rice. अगर आप खाने में ये सारी चीजें खा रहे हैं तो आपको क्या मिल रहा है? Carbohydrates. Next nutrient is the fats. Fats is a nutrient which provides you the energy and the warmth. Fats are the nutrient that also provides you with energy. Indeed, they provide you twice the amount of energy of carbohydrates. That means जो एनर्जी आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट फूड खाने से मिलती है उससे डबल एनर्जी आपको फैट से मिलेगी एंड योर बॉडी कैन स्टोर दिस फैट्स एनर्जी. Okay, so which food items will give you the energy? That is oil, butter, cheese and nuts. If you are eating these food items, you will getting a nutrient called as a fats. Last nutrient is the vitamins and the minerals. Vitamins and minerals are good for your good health. They are the nutrients which are required only in a small amount. They are essential as they help your body to work properly and fight against the disease. Therefore, they are also called as a protective nutrients. And these are the food items which provides you the nutrients like fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, oil and milk are rich in vitamins and also contain several minerals. Calcium is a mineral which is required for your bones and teeth, and iron is another essential mineral which is required for making a blood. Green vegetables, apple, carrots, fresh fruits and vegetables. If you're eating these things, you are getting the vitamins and the minerals. Along with this 4 nutrient, your food must also include water and roughage, because roughage is the fiber that the fiber of the food that you eat but your body cannot digest it. It has no nutritive value but it is very important as it helps in the removal of the waste material. Roughage फूड का वो पार्ट होता है जो न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू नहीं होती उसमें, लेकिन आपके बॉडी से वेस्ट मटेरियल को रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है. लाइक द फ्रेश फ्रूट्स, होल ग्रेन्स, vegetables and salads contains a lot of fiber. These food grains and the fruits and vegetables, they contains the fibers. Next is a water. Almost 2/3 of our body is made up of water. Water is essential for the living things to stay alive. Your body requires water because blood and muscles contains water. Water is essential for digesting food. Water helps in the removal of waste from the body. Water helps to maintain the body temperature. Therefore, girls, it's very important to drink lots and lots of water daily. At least 8 to 10 glass of water a human being should drink in a day. Balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? A diet that contains the right amount of all the nutrients along with adequate quantities of roughage and water is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet वो डाइट होती है जिसमें सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स कंप्लीट होने चाहिए विथ अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोटीन्स, मिल्क ग्रुप, वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट ग्रुप्स, सीरियल्स ग्रुप. प्रोटीन ग्रुप में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? मीट, beans, nuts, eggs, fish and etc. Milk group में आएगा milk, curd, cheese, ice cream etc. Vegetables and fruit groups include fresh fruits and vegetables, for example tomato, carrot, brinjal, apple, banana, orange etc. Cereals group include rice, chapati, bread etc. If your food contains all these food items, that means your diet is a balanced diet. One should have a balanced diet to keeps you strong and healthy. That will help you to grow strong and healthy. Now next topic is cooking food. There are some food items like carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, fruits etc. that can be eaten raw. Eaten raw का मतलब होता है कुछ फ्रूट्स और कुछ वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको आप कच्चा खा सकते हैं सैलेड में. ओके, बट one thing you have to remember is that ऑलवेज वॉश देम बिफोर ईटिंग टू रिमूव द डस्ट एंड जर्म्स. कोई भी फ्रूट्स या वेजिटेबल्स खाने से पहले उसे अच्छे से वॉश करना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ सम फूड आइटम्स लाइक pulses, meat, vegetables like lady finger, brinjal, etc. need to be cooked before eating. There are some vegetables जिनको आप कच्चा नहीं खा सकते, रॉ नहीं खा सकते, उन्हें कुक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Why the food is to be cooked? Cooking food makes it soft, tasty and easy to digest. जब आप खाने को कुक करते हो तो वो आपके खाने को सॉफ्ट बना देता है, टेस्टी बनाता है and easy to digest also. Girls, so the next topic is what are the following important things you have to keep in mind while cooking food. Means जब भी कोई खाना बनाएं तो what are the important things, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको ध्यान रखनी है. First thing, food should not be overcooked as the nutrients will be destroyed. फूड को ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं पकाना है. अगर आप किसी भी फूड आइटम को ज़्यादा देर तक पकाओगे तो उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, वॉश द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर कटिंग देम. ओके, वॉश द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर कटिंग. देन नेक्स्ट, food should be cooked with just enough water. Cooking in too much water and then throwing away the water takes away the nutrients with the water. And the last one is the water in which pulses are soaked should not be thrown away as the nutrients are lost along with the water thrown away. जिस भी पानी में आप दाल या चने या राजमा, छोले, जो भी आपकी मम्मा बनाती हैं, जिस पानी में आप उनको रात में भिगो के रखते हो, उस पानी को कभी भी फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. यू कैन यूज दैट वाटर as it contains all the nutrients. So these are the some important things you have to keep in mind while cooking food. Now preserving food. How you can preserve the food for more time. आप किसी भी फूड आइटम को ज़्यादा समय तक किस तरह से फ्रेश रख सकते हो, उसी को बोला जाता है प्रिजर्विंग फूड. So food gets spoiled when germs start growing on it and germs require air, water and warmth to grow. आपका कोई भी पका हुआ जो खाना होता है वो अगर आप उसको फ्रिज में नहीं रखते हो, सब्जी है या दाल है या कोई भी चीज़ है, अगर आपने उसको बाहर रख दिया तो वो ख़राब हो जाता है. क्यों ख़राब होता है? क्योंकि उसमें जर्म्स ग्रो हो जाते हैं. So how to stop this? So there are some ways you can stop growing these germs. These are called as a preserving techniques. First is boiling, freezing, dehydration, canning, sweetening, salting and adding preservatives. So girls, our next topic is digestion of food. When we eat something, that is gone into our body and it starts breaking down into a simpler form. जो भी खाना हम खाते हैं वो खाना हमारे बॉडी में के अंदर जाके उसका डाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है. So digestion is what? Digestion is the process of breaking down of food inside your body, which is called as a digestion. Now what are the different digestive organs? See the picture given on page number 20. The digestive organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Your food first goes into your mouth. पहले आपका फूड माउथ से एंटर होके ईसोफेगस और द फूड पाइप से नीचे की तरफ मूव होगा और आपके स्टमक में एंटर करता है. स्टमक के बाद आपका फूड एंटर होता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन एंड देन लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन और उसके बाद एनस से जो भी वेस्ट पार्ट होता है फूड का वो रिमूव आउट हो जाता है. व्हेन द फूड इज पासिंग थ्रू ऑल दीज डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स, डिफरेंट एंजाइम्स or the chemicals, they mix with the food and help your food in the digestion of food. This is called as a digestion of food. Now the last topic of our chapter is healthy eating habits. What are the good eating habits? First, eat a balanced diet. Always eat a healthy and a balanced diet. Have a plenty of water. कम से कम दिन में 8 से 10 ग्लास पानी पीना चाहिए डेली. Eat your meal at fixed time. Chew your food properly before swallowing it. This makes दिस विल मेक द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन ईजियर. खाने को अच्छे से चबा के खाना चाहिए. ओके. डू नॉट प्ले इमीडिएटली आफ्टर ईटिंग. खाना खाने के बाद इमीडिएटली आपको कोई भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी है या फिर प्ले नहीं करना है. रेस्ट अ वाइल so that your stomach requires oxygen to digest the food. Include a lot of fiber in your daily diet. Fiber means you can eat some fruits and vegetables which can be eaten raw like salads and cucumbers, tomatoes, etc. Always wash your hands before and after eating your meals. खाना खाने से पहले और खाना खाने के बाद अच्छे से हैंड वॉश करना है.